Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we are going to start our English speaking part 90 and we are going to discuss today about स्नेह affection. स्नेह प्रशंसा means affection type sentences in our English language. So friends, let's start our English speaking part 90. स्नेह प्रशंसा affection. So friends, basically स्नेह प्रशंसा affection means that we normally praise another one's deeds or works if he does something good for another person. Means if he does something marvelous or something very incredible, so we normally praise him and we wish him best of luck, or we boost his confidence that he may also perform better in future also. So friends, I will read the sentences. So let's see. तुमने बड़े साहस का काम किया है. So in English it means that was very brave of you. So the sentence basically means तुमने बड़े साहस का काम किया है. So friends, as you have seen in normal life also, we have seen in TV also that our soldiers and basically the persons who does bravery work, who risk their life to save other person, so they are basically, we praise them. We normally say to them, तुमने बड़े साहस का काम किया है, means that was very brave of you. So we are normally praising them for their hard work and we are very thankful to them that they have done a very marvelous and very incredible job which a normal person can't do. So this is known as स्नेह प्रशंसा, means affection type sentences. Shabash. In English it means well done, good show, keep it up. So friends, shabash we normally say in our day-to-day life, in our family also, when we do something great, something extraordinary and which is very beneficial for our family or something which, so our family and friends normally say shabash, means well done, good show, keep it up. So friends, this sentence normally boosts up the confidence of a person who does something extraordinary in his life, and we normally pray for him for his best so that he may perform best in his future also. So we normally say well done, good show, keep it up, so he may perform well in future also. So friends, it is also an स्नेह प्रशंसा, means affection type sentence. कमाल कर दिया. So in English it means that's wonderful. So friends, this is also very common type of sentence, as you can see friends, when we see normally, when we watch any movie or when we see any match on TV etc. So when something extraordinary happens, something, any scene comes and we imagine that they have performed much better than our imagination. So we normally say कमाल कर दिया. This scene was very good. कमाल कर दिया. We never expected this, that this scene could come and it could be so much well arranged. And in match also friends, when something plays very extraordinary inning and takes away the match in winning condition from losing and taking the match to the winning condition from losing side or something, so we normally praise them. So we say कमाल कर दिया, means that's wonderful. So friends, it is also a स्नेह प्रशंसा and affection type sentence. तुम्हारा काम तारीफ के काबिल है. So in English it means your work is praiseworthy. So friends, you must have seen in office also that if someone does good work and which gives profit to the company or which gives benefit or gives rise to the company, so our boss and our colleagues normally say तुम्हारा काम तारीफ के काबिल है. So in English it means your work is praiseworthy. So basically they are friends, they are they are giving thanks to our hard work and they are praising our hard work and skills, and they are regarding our best, that we have given best for the company or something. So तुम्हारा काम तारीफ के काबिल है. So in English it means your work is praiseworthy. So basically our boss or our colleagues or managers, they are basically praising our hard work and giving us best of luck for future also, that we will perform well in future also. So friends, it is also a स्नेह प्रशंसा, means affection type sentence. तुम कितने अच्छे हो. So in English it means you are so nice, how nice you are. The sentence basically means friends, if any person is very friendly, very hospitable and very jolly type and very cordial to meet with us, and we feel very close to him, we feel that he is just our member of our family, so we normally say तुम कितने अच्छे हो, means your nature is so nice, तुम कितने अच्छे हो. So in English it means you are so nice, how nice you are. So friends, basically we are praising about that person. We are praising the quality of that person, that he was so nice to us, he behaved so well with us, and he greeted us so well. So तुम कितने अच्छे हो. So in English it means you are so nice, how nice you are. So it happens when we meet any person in our society, friends, anywhere. If we feel that he is very good and nice hearted, kind hearted person, so we normally feel that we have something strong bond with him. So this is also a स्नेह प्रशंसा affection type sentence. आपने मेरी बड़ी सहायता की. So in English it means you have been a great help to me. The sentence basically means that in normal life also, friends, if someone helps us in our critical times, in bad patch or in difficult times, if someone helps us, so we normally say आपने मेरी बड़ी सहायता की. So we are very thankful to them. So in English it means you have been a great help to me. Means आपने मेरी बहुत सहायता की, आपने बुरे वक्त में मेरा बहुत अच्छा साथ दिया. You helped me so much that I came out strongly. So आपने मेरी बड़ी सहायता की. So you have been a great help to me. So friends, this is also a स्नेह प्रशंसा means affection type sentence. We are showing affection and regards and love to another person who is helping us in our works, etc., or praising us to our hard work. So friends, now we will come to some important points. Basically, याद रखें means remember, which we needs to remember in our English language. Do plus not is equal to don't. So friends, when we write do plus not, so we in short write it as don't. So it becomes short and we put apostrophe after n. Similarly, will plus not, it will happen won't. Doesn't is equal to does plus not. Shan't is equal to shall plus not. Wouldn't is equal to would plus not. Do plus not, don't, where we have put apostrophe after n. Similarly, will plus not, won't. Doesn't, does not. Shan't, shall plus not. Wouldn't, would plus not. Similarly, aren't, we write it as are plus not. Weren't, were plus not. Couldn't, could plus not. Shouldn't, should plus not. Needn't, need plus not. Didn't, did plus not. So we have, friends, put apostrophe after n. So aren't means are plus not. Weren't means were plus not. Couldn't means could plus not. Shouldn't means should plus not. Needn't means need plus not. And didn't means did plus not. So friends, please do remember these short wordings and short forms. It will help you in English language when you will do conversation, and when you will write English sentences in short form, they will help you out. So friends, this was the English speaking part 90, in which I tried to explain you about स्नेह प्रशंसा means affection type sentences in which we normally praise another person's hard work, or we give him best for his future so that he may perform well in future also, and we praise another person also. If he is nice to us, we normally praise him, or we normally thanks him for his help and hard work. So friends, as usual, I wrote down the sentences in Hindi and side by side translated you in English so that you may find it easier to understand about these sentences. So friends, I hope you would have find it easier to understand about स्नेह प्रशंसा means affection type sentences in our English language. And friends, these kind of sentences we normally use in our daily life when someone helps us and when some person is very nice to us. If we regard him about his hard work, we praise him for his hard work, etc. So we normally use these kind of sentences in our day-to-day life, either at office, either at home, etc. So friends, kindly practice these sentences in your spare time. Either try to talk in front of mirror or try to talk with your friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. And friends, please do remember these kind of short wordings also, which will also help you in fluent English communication. And friends, please keep supporting me so that I may bring you more interesting English speaking topics which could prove to be an asset for you and which could help you in brushing up your fluent English communication. And friends, please do share, like, subscribe my channel. Please do press the bell icon in the subscription box, and I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So friends, please keep practicing these sentences and keep supporting me. So friends, thanks for your valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.